Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. This is your Capricorn Horoscope for May 2025, a month of creative breakthroughs, personal transformation, and career momentum as the cosmos pushes you toward building long-term success and deeper emotional connections. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. May brings a focus on creativity, romance, and career growth. The new moon in Taurus, May 19th, highlights your fifth house of passion, self-expression, and fun, making it a great time for artistic projects, romance, or embracing joy in life. With Mars entering Leo on May 16th, your attention turns to shared resources, financial planning, and deep emotional commitments. Jupiter enters Gemini on May 25th, marking the beginning of a 12-month cycle of work expansion, daily efficiency, and well-being improvements. New moon in Taurus, May 19th. A fresh start in creativity, romance, and self-expression. This is an ideal time to start a passion project, deepen a romantic relationship, or reconnect with what makes you happy. Mars in Cancer until May 16, Leo after May 16. Before May 16, Mars in Cancer brings intensity to relationships and partnerships, encouraging collaboration and deeper commitments. After May 16th, Mars in Leo activates financial transformation and emotional depth, making it a great time to focus on shared investments, long-term financial planning, and personal transformation. Jupiter enters Gemini May 25. Jupiter moves into your sixth house of work, health, and daily routines, bringing expansion in career efficiency, new job opportunities, and wellness improvements over the next year. Career and finances. May is a powerful month for setting career goals, embracing leadership, and financial restructuring. The new moon in Taurus on May 19th helps you tap into creative ideas and new ways to earn money. With Jupiter entering Gemini on May 25th, expect a boost in productivity, better job opportunities, and more efficient daily habits. Best dates for career and financial success. May 19, new moon in Taurus, set creative and financial intentions. May 25th, Jupiter enters Gemini, work and career expansion begins. Relationships. With Venus in Gemini until May 24th, relationships focus on communication, teamwork, and shared daily routines. If single, you may meet someone through work, networking, or mutual interests. When Venus moves into Cancer on May 24th, relationships become more emotionally fulfilling and deeply connected, bringing opportunities for long-term commitment. Best days for love. May 11-13. Venus trine Pluto, relationship transformations and deeper connections. May 24th, Venus enters Cancer, love shifts toward commitment and emotional security. Health and well-being. With Mars in Leo after May 16th, focus on emotional balance, stress management, and deep transformation. The new moon in Taurus, May 19th, is a great time to embrace creativity, hobbies, and wellness activities that bring joy. Best days for success. May 16th, Mars enters Leo, financial planning and emotional depth. May 19th, new moon in Taurus, creative breakthroughs and self-expression. May 25th, Jupiter enters Gemini, career and work efficiency expansion. What to avoid. May 20, Mars square Jupiter, avoid rushed financial decisions or impulsive commitments. May 24-27, Saturn retrograde begins, time to reassess work-life balance and emotional commitments. May 2025 is a month of creative expansion, financial strategy, and professional momentum for Capricorn. With Jupiter in Gemini, this is the beginning of a powerful phase of work efficiency, wellness improvements, and career growth. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free using the link in the description to align your actions with the cosmic cycles. Thank you for watching, And until next time, keep looking to the stars.